Okay, so start from the NEP 1968. That was basically the main motto was that to special emphasis on removal of disparity between the classes, between the people, and between the women. Now come to the NEP having the child-centered Operation Blackboard. What is the meaning of Child Operation Blackboard here? To provide all the primary school in the nation with the minimum required necessary services that was needed to the school, like toilet, like water facility, each and everything that is required by the children, that is the required, and that is the especially the role of NEP, and this is the basically also describe the Operation Blackboard. Okay, now come to the Indian Education Commission, that was come 1952 to 64. Okay, now fourth point is that here we do not describe each and every para, but we have to take in short to the NEP. Okay, now come to the question related to the NEP. There is a 10 plus 2 plus 3 1968, that was come 2019. After the renunciation 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, that was the main improvisation that was occurred by the NEP. Now come to the by revealed to the after the 34 year, that was the very and big changes that was come out in NEP. Now come to the foundation. There is a different stages. First is the foundational stages, second is the preparatory stages, and third is the middle stages. Now come to the there is the if you can read and if you can want to mug up out, so you can just make out a code FPMC. Okay, now come to the there is a 6 pillar of NEP. There is accessibility, affordability, accountability, and quality accessibility. Okay, so what is the meaning of accessibility? It means that if you want to access anything, so by the help of accessibility, now you can change out the affordability. How can you affordability? If you able to if you be able to teacher, if you be able to student, you can firstly assess. Now you can use their effort. Now you can use their accountability. Now if you have to be the accountability, you also make out the quality of that to making the equity and now making the accessibility. Okay, so basically this all about if you want to write as it is, so it's a very best note I think, so you can just write it. Okay, now come to the NEP having the conclusion. So there is the learning by doing, learning less. Basically what happens at NEP is that learning which is the touches the environment itself, learning should be flexible, learning should be accessible. This is a very important part of the NEP. Okay, so make out to and note out it very efficient note, and I think just it was a very easily accessible. Okay, so you can just as it is right, and I also provide a question related to this. Okay, thank you all the best.